What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Rise and shine. What is today? Today is Saturday. I have to look at the date because I don't even know myself. Today is Saturday the 6th, which means it's day 18. And no, I didn't wake up at 5. I'm always let y'all know when I wake up at 5. I'm gonna tell y'all right now because this is one of the habits that I want to form. And I think I'm gonna keep talking about it until either I continuously do it or I just say like, it ain't gonna happen, Daph. But it's Saturday. I go to work at 2 today. It's currently 10:16 and I'm about to post day 7 on YouTube. I am so behind, guys, so behind. I'm gonna post day 7 right now and then go to the gym. I'm currently watching TikTok. I just put out a video on there. And this is me multitasking, which really is not me doing multitasking anything because